Good morning, good afternoon. Today I am going to solve the problem number 11b of cash book of Goel. Here the question is, enter the following transaction in two-column cash book or double column cash book. Year is year 2022 and first transaction is December 1st started business with cash. December 1st started business with cash account debit to capital account. So here in the debit side of cash column we write to capital account. To capital account. Amount is 50,000. Next is pays into bank 29,000. Bank account debit to cash account. Bank is debited. So debit column of the bank column we write here to December to cash account. Cash deposit into bank account debit to cash, and in the credit side of cash column we write here 2022 December to buy bank account. Amount will be shown in the cash column, where the bank column is 29,000 and in cash column we also write 29,000. Here the entry has been made in both sides, so in LF we write C for contra. ऐसा ट्रांजेक्शन जिसका दोनों साइड में एंट्री हो तो उसको कॉन्ट्रा ट्रांजेक्शन कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज योर थर्ड, रिसीव्ड ए चेक फ्रॉम राजा राम 800 एंड डिस्काउंट अलाउड. ए चेक रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम राजा राम ऑफ रुपीज 800 एंड डिस्काउंट अलाउड. हियर इट इज अज्यूम्ड द चेक was paid into bank or not, we don't have information. We assume the check was paid into bank on the same day. The entry will be bank account debit to Raja Ram account. Bank account debit to Raja Ram account. Here December 3 to Raja Ram account. Raja and company account. Raja and company account. Raja and company account. Amount is 800. Next is here December 5 withdrew cash from bank for private use. Drawing account debit to bank account. Bank is credited, so in the credit side of bank column we write here December 5 by drawing account. Amount is here 240. 240. Next is here December 10. Purchase goods for rupees 1 lakh and IGST 18%. Payment made by check. The entry will be purchases account debit, input IGST account debit to bank account. Bank is credited, so in the credit side of cash book we write December 10 by purchases account by input IGST account, input IGST account. Here the cost of the goods is 1 lakh. So for purchase we write 1 lakh and IGST is 18%. 18% of 1 lakh. If we calculate 18% of 1 lakh, the amount will come 18,000. We write before IGST 18,000. Next is 12. December 12 sold goods for 1,50,000. Trade discount 20% and IGST 18%. Payment received by check. It is assumed the check was sent to the bank on the same day because we don't have any information. So in the debit side, here bank is debited. So in debit side we write December 12. To sales account, to output IGST account, IGST account. Here the amount is here, selling price is 1 lakh, list price of goods is 1,50,000. 20% of this amount, trade discount is 20%. So calculate 20% of 1,50,000, amount will come 30,000. Now deduct this amount from 1,50,000. 1,50,000 से इसको माइनस कर देंगे. The amount will come 1,20,000. And now calculate 18% of 1,20,000. 18% of 1,20,000. Amount will come 18 to the 36. 18 or 3, 21. 21,600. This is the amount of output IGST. And amount of sales will be 1,20,000. So before sales we mention here 1,20,000. Output IGST 21,600. The next is here 14. Received a check from Kamla. Discount allowed 3,95,000. And later we have informed this check was endorsed in favor of Bala. The Bala account debit to check in hand account, so no entry will be passed, no record will be made in the cash book. The next is December 29, paid rent by check. Rent account debit to bank account. December 29. So in credit side we write December 29 by rent account. Amount in bank column 1,000. And last is 30. Received check deposit into bank balance of cash in excess of 450. कहा जा रहा है कि कैश बैलेंस 450 से जो अधिक है, एक्सेस है, उसको बैंक में जमा कर दिया जाता है. नाउ वी बैलेंस द here से December 29, rent paid by check, rent account debit to bank account. We write here buy rent 1000 in bank column. Next is here December 30, deposit into bank balance of excess in cash of 450. कहा जा रहा है कि कैश इन हैंड का बैलेंस 450 रुपया से जो अधिक है उसे बैंक में जमा कर दिया जाता है. यदि हम यहाँ डिडक्ट करते हैं तो बैंक का टोटल 50,000 है डेबिट साइड. क्रेडिट साइड इज ओनली 29,000. वी डिडक्ट 29,000 फ्रॉम 50,000. रेस्ट इज हियर 21,000. Now you are asked to maintain the cash in hand 450. So we deduct 450 from 21,000. The balance will come here 20,550. This amount will be deposited into bank on 30th December. The entry will be bank account debit to cash account. So in the debit side of bank column we write to cash 20,550. And in credit side, in cash column, by bank account, in cash column amount will be written here 20,550. And now we have to balance the ledger. First of all, we balance the cash account. The total of cash is 50,000 debit side, and credit side is 49,550. So difference will come 450. This is the cash balance. Now we balance the bank column. The debit side of bank column is 1,91,950, and credit side, if we deduct the amount of credit side from total amount, the difference will come 72,710. यानी कैश का बैलेंस 450 है और बैंक बैलेंस 72,710 on 30th December. Now this balance will be transferred to the next year. Year was 2022. We will transfer this amount in the year 2023 and on January 1st. To balance BD, cash 450 and bank column 72,710. In this way, the question is completed.